from your shoulder level. Just bring it down next to your body. Okay. Just tap 2, 3 and bring back up. Yeah. Amazing. Yeah. Okay. Sweet. We landed at go around the head and we flip. Yeah. Next step, we're going to move into that diagonal. We're going to do a right, left, right hit. Okay? So literally all we're doing is with your footwork, literally just a walk, like a sassy walk, like a cool sort of strut. So right, left, right, hit. Towards the back. 3. So one in that angle, one in that angle, and one towards the back. Let's try and meet. 5, 6, 7. Right, left, right, and hit. Left, and hit. Right, left, and hit. Okay, so just that last one. When we turn from this one, you want to be using your right shoulder because it's closest towards the back. So do a right, left, right hit, and then just turn towards the back and hit. When you're doing a walk, make sure front of cool, so go right, hit. See? And then when you go towards the back, right, so
दोस्तों मेरे साथ हैं आदित्य कुमार. He is the new owner, मालिक of Canberra School of Bollywood Dancing in Canberra. Congratulations, बधाई हो आदित्य.
Thank you, Niji.
For this new venture.
Yes.
कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. I think it's a great opportunity, and more than that, I think it's a privilege. I think the love for Bollywood is very big in Canberra, and I think everyone is very sad about Canberra School of Bollywood closing. So I think it's a great opportunity for me to be able to continue the school in Canberra.
कुछ आप अपने बारे में बताइए हमारे रेडियो मनपसंद के लिसनर्स को और व्यूअर्स को कि आप कब से कैनबरा में हैं?
मेरे को कैनबरा में 8 साल हो गए हैं.
कहाँ से हैं आप इंडिया में?
Originally from Delhi in India. Mechanical engineer by day and I guess dance school owner by night.
अच्छा.
So doing the best I can to keep the love of Bollywood continuing in Canberra.
बढ़िया. और बॉलीवुड से कैसे जुड़ना हुआ और क्यों जुड़ना हुआ?
Actually ज़्यादातर मेरी डांसिंग कैनबरा स्कूल ऑफ बॉलीवुड से ही स्टार्ट हुई थी कुछ 6-7 साल पहले Krisha के साथ. So very grateful to her for the opportunity.
Krisha has been your teacher?
Yes, Krisha has been the school as part of the school, and I also taught some classes as part of Canberra School of Bollywood Dancing a long time ago. So just honestly, just a great feeling to be able to get back into it, and that too through Canberra School of Bollywood Dancing.
अच्छा.
जी.
तो जो टीचर आपको सिखाया उसी का ही आपने स्कूल का अब आप टीचर खुद बन गए हो या मालिक बन गए हो?
Something like that, correct. So it's just I think life comes full circle kind of a thing. So it's just a great opportunity and again just a privilege to be able to take over and do something good with the school.
तो आप डांसर हो, कोरियोग्राफर हो
जी
या खाली बस मालिक हो पीछे बैठ के
नहीं, I think a little bit of everything. You can't really be in the trade unless you know about the trade. So I've been dancing for a few years, have my own dance group as well. But the opportunity to be able to teach, learn and own a dance school all at the same time is an amazing feeling.
अब नई जो आपने ओनरशिप ली है कैनबरा स्कूल ऑफ बॉलीवुड डांसिंग की, उसके बारे में बताइए. कैसे इसको ज्वाइन किया जा सकता है, क्या बदलाव लेकर आएंगे?
जरूर. So main thing is so we try to streamline the process. So everything is online now, online enrollments, online payments, and everything is done online. At the moment, this term we've got 4 instructors and 7 classes spread all over. So we got Gangalin, Belconnen, Tuggeranong and Borden. So we got classes all throughout the week, including weekends. We got tiny tots, juniors and adults with all kinds of levels and everything is available through our website and our Facebook page as well.
Website क्या होगा?
It's Canberra School of Bollywood.com.au. And the Facebook page is the most up-to-date with the most classes and the most updates. So Canberra School of Bollywood Dancing on Facebook would be the best for most constant updates.
और किसी को कोई functions, events या parties के लिए आपको contact कर सकते हैं?
100%, yes. So you can contact us through the either Facebook page, Instagram, phone number, anything you'd like. Plenty of modes of contact. So please get in contact if you need any hires or costume hires, event hires and stuff like that.
मतलब कोई भी पार्टी अगर बॉलीवुड थीम पार्टी हो रही है तो उसमें कॉस्ट्यूम
private events and we have a lot of requests for costumes. So I have almost 300 costumes all sizes, all colors. So if you need something to rent for a private event or a performance that you want to do, feel free to contact us and we can give you some rates for that as well.
बढ़िया है और बहुत बहुत बधाई शुभकामनाएं
धन्यवाद।
एंड मैं ये बस यही कहूँगा लगे रहिए नाचते रहिए नचाते रहिए और
जरूर।
कैनबरा में बॉलीवुड का तड़का लगाते रहिए
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू फॉर टॉकिंग टू रेडियो 1%।
Thank you,
लगे
thank
रहिए
you.
टेक केयर You got three beautiful Bollywood dancers with me. Tell your name and
I'm Emily.
Nikki and Penny.
wonderful. So how long you have been doing Bollywood dancing?
About 5 years since 2015. So,
Right.
done this class.
2013, 7 years.
Ooh,
Yeah.
And I've only been doing it for 3 years.
3 years. What you like about Bollywood dancing? What is the best? Or maybe three things you can
just
tell
fun.
about.
Yeah, it's fun, and you can get fit without thinking
It's
about
awesome. Yes.
about it
It's
too
nice.
much. Yep.
The
And we
music.
always
The
laugh
music.
a lot.
Love the music.
Yeah.
Oh, definitely.
So why only Bollywood? Why not other kind? There was samba, salsa.
Probably the costumes when we get to perform as well. There's a massive part
The
of it.
color and the glamour.
Yes.
Not at the moment, but
Yeah.
when we do the concerts, yes.
Yeah, lots of fun.
Yeah.
It is.
So you have done concerts, stage performances.
Definitely.
Are you missing because of the COVID? Or
Yes.
would you
Yes.
like to? Because November is the time we used to have annual concerts of Canberra School of Bollywood
Yes.
Dancing, and
It's
Trisha
very
used
sad.
to.
I
Yeah.
just did
A
a lot.
multicultural festival. Let's keep fingers crossed.
It's good because we get to see like all the classes together and see what they've done and the tiny tots and
Get to
the
work
us
with
as well.
the little.
Brings it all together.
So do you guys meet up somewhere as a theme parties and dress up as Bollywood or like
Brunch sometimes. We do.
Not dressed up.
We do.
Sometimes when we practice.
Right.
Every now and then.
Oh, Nikki
before
gave me a
concert.
Bollywood outfit once, didn't you?
Yep.
That's
Yeah,
really
it's a
pretty.
beautiful out.
It is.
How about Bollywood
Saris.
movies? Do you watch Bollywood movies and follow them? Any
Yeah.
actor, actresses you
Not off the top of my head, but
not a favorite
yeah,
one?
live watching.
Any movie which you like the best?
There was one called The Three Idiots or something.
Bend it like
that I
Beckham or
watched.
something?
Yeah, The
Three.
Three Idiots.
Wonderful.
That was a good movie,
Amazing.
but
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
no.
Last message. What you would like to say to our viewers or listeners of Radio Manpasand? Why they should join Bollywood Dancing School or the Canberra School of Bollywood Dancing?
Super fun. You make lots of friends. You get to wear awesome costumes.
Lots of
It's like
friends.
great exercise, and it's just
Yeah.
the highlight of your week, really. So
Beautiful.
you should
As the
join.
other lady said, the community spirit and friendships, companionships, working with all ages.
Wonderful.
Age is not a factor.
How about you?
Yeah, it's lots of fun, and it's a good way to leave all your stress behind.
Definitely. Christians.
All the best.
Join Bollywood.
Ladies,
Thank you.
join Bollywood,
Yes.
keep dancing,
Come and
keep
have fun with
rocking.
us. and the
And-
best.
And the
instructor.
Canberra School of Bollywood Dancing rocks, and that's the dancer and the owner, Aditya. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. मेरे साथ हैं
Hi, my name is Sheetal. I'm with Bollywood dance since 3 weeks and I'm enjoying it. It's a great form of exercise, and because I'm from India, I can connect to the Bollywood music much better. So that's why I really enjoy coming here. And Nisha is a great instructor, so it's a group energy is very good. So yeah, thank you, and join Bollywood.
This is your first year, or you've been dancing?
No, this is my first year. Yeah.
Okay. So you're loving the Bollywood? You'll continue?
I'm loving it. I have been doing it in Perth. So we recently came to Canberra, and this is the first dance class I'm attending, and I'm enjoying it.
बढ़िया.
All the best.
All the best to you and keep dancing. मेरे साथ हैं कोमल.
कोमल, हाँ कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया बढ़िया. हैप्पी दिवाली आपको.
आपको भी हैप्पी दिवाली और सबको जो व्यूवर्स देख रहे हैं. इट्स अ वेरी ग्रेट प्लेस टू स्टार्ट. अगर आपको एक्सरसाइज, क्योंकि हम सब हाउसवाइफ्स हैं और काम भी करते हैं वैसे, तो बहुत ही हेक्टिक हो जाता है, स्ट्रेसफुल हो जाता है. यहाँ के रिलीफ मिल जाता है क्योंकि इट्स ए बॉलीवुड डांसिंग ऑब्वियसली, और बहुत मज़ा आता है क्योंकि एक्सरसाइज के साथ साथ आपका रूटीन हो जाता है और एंटरटेनमेंट भी हो जाता है फ्रेंड्स भी बनते हैं एंड वी हैव अ ग्रेट इंस्ट्रक्टर। और ये मैनेजमेंट चेंज हुआ है, आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग टू डू बिकॉज वी ऑल वर सो डिसअपॉइंटेड क्योंकि यही एक प्लेटफॉर्म था जहाँ हमको आके मज़ा आ रहा था। एक्सरसाइज थोड़ा वो हो जाता है, बोरिंग हो जाता है, तो यहाँ पे म्यूजिक के साथ साथ इट इज़ रियली एंजॉइंग। सो प्लीज
आपका भी फर्स्ट ईयर ही है या
नहीं,
पहले
मैं
डांसिंग करती
ऑन
थी?
एंड ऑफ पहले किया है 5 साल
अच्छा,
पहले जब कृषा ये चलाते थे वोडन में, तो दैट्स व्हाई आई केम बैक बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू कम बैक। अब मैं आ गई हूँ तो आई एम रियली एंजॉयिंग, एवरीवन शुड डू दिस।
कौन से गाने पे अभी तक आपने सीखा है?
मैंने तो बहुत सारे डांस बसंती, फिर 10 बहाने, फिर और एक था वो क्वीन का सॉन्ग है
लंदन ठुमकदा।
लंदन ठुमकदा, तो बहुत सारे गानों पे किया है जैसे मैंने कहा, और अभी हम साकी कर रहे हैं। इट्स
क्या
रियली रियली गुड आई कैन से।
थैंक यू, नाचते रहिए आप भी, लगे रहिए।
लगे रहिए। थैंक यू मनीष जी।
थैंक यू कोमल जी। मेरे साथ पद्मजा जी हैं। पद्मजा जी बताइए, आप तो
आई थिंक मेरी जो फ्रेंड्स थी पहले वो काफ़ी कुछ बोल चुकी पहले, बस हम इतना ही बताएंगे। इट्स अ ग्रेट फन वे टू हैव एक्सरसाइज रूटीन एंड दैट्स द रीज़न आई हैव जॉइंड दिस एंड हम काफ़ी दिन से कर रहे हैं। और एंड एज एवरीबडी ऑलरेडी सेड कि निशा इज़ अ ग्रेट टीचर एंड
अच्छा।
and yes I thoroughly enjoy that, like I said, for me it's a great way to have fun and exercise at the same time.
कोविड आने से कोई चेंज हुआ? आप मिस कर रही थी बॉलीवुड को या आप पहले?
ज़रूर काफ़ी बेसब्री से इंतज़ार कर रहे थे कि कब शुरू होगा क्योंकि सडनली इट स्टॉप्ड
अच्छा।
एंड वी वर इन अ रूटीन एंड सुने जब शुरू हुआ, जब सुने कि आ रहा है तो इट वाज काफ़ी खुशी हुई कि वापस आ रहा है। एंड आई थिंक पीपल शुड थिंक अबाउट जॉइनिंग इट, नॉट एज समथिंग कॉम्पिटिटिव और एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट, बट इट्स अ ग्रेट वे टू exercise and in a fun manner and you make friends, as you say, like हमारे friends ने कहा पहले, तो yeah, it's I really enjoy it and it's not very like it's just a 1 hour of your time in a week, so it's
डांसिंग में क्या एज मैटर करता है? Would you like to tell someone who is 40 plus or like me 50 plus?
Not at all. Not at all. I'm on the wrong side of a lot of things, but no, not at all. I think the way it's been structured, age doesn't really matter. In fact, इस बार तो वो लोग हैं भी नहीं, हम तो 5 साल 6 साल की लड़की लोग के साथ डांस करते थे।
Very nice.
No, it's a very community feeling जो होता है वो काफ़ी आता है और बहुत
Energy
अच्छा
मिलती
लगता है कि छोटे बड़े सब एक साथ हम लोग कर रहे हैं and age actually is not a factor at all when you are here, which is a good thing.
बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके। आप भी नाचते रहिए, लगे रहिए,
Thank you.
and all the best for this new Canberra School of Bollywood Dancing. Thank you for talking.
All right, what do you guys like about Bollywood?
I like Bollywood because it's really fun and I've learned a lot of new Bollywood skills.
And
we learn new dances.
Yeah? And how many performances have you guys done for the school?
I think 2.
Yeah.
We've done a couple and one major concert.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to show some moves right now? Just do anything, anything. Light bulb, squish the end. What?
Ready?
Ready? Go. Let's go. Come on, girls. TikTok. Yeah. We like that. We like that. Thank you, girls. Thank you for that. Do you want to scream last message for our viewers of Canberra School of Bollywood and Radio Mumberson?
मेरे साथ हैं इंस्ट्रक्टर निशा गुप्ता एंड साथ में है ओनर आदित्य कुमार। आदित्य जी पूछेंगे, इंस्ट्रक्टर निशा है लेकिन ऐसे ही कोई कितने इंस्ट्रक्टर्स हैं आपके स्कूल में?
पीक पीरियड में कम से कम 6 से 7। अभी क्योंकि हमें कोविड की वजह से बहुत जल्दी स्टार्ट करना पड़ा, तो हमारे पास इस टर्म 4 इंस्ट्रक्टर्स हैं जो 7 क्लासेस सिखाते हैं एट द मोमेंट।
अच्छा।
यस।
कोई और इंस्ट्रक्टर्स अगर ज्वाइन करना चाहे जो देख रहा है या सुन रहा है?
Definitely. The plan is to expand Bollywood into a lot of fusion sort of combinations. So we'd love to have more instructors come on board. It is a paid position.
Achha.
Classes are usually weekly, only 1 hour a week. So it is something that if you like to do on the side, you're more than welcome. Just contact us and we can take it from there.
वंडरफुल। अब चलिए निशा से बात करते हैं। शी इज़ वन ऑफ योर इंस्ट्रक्टर।
Yes.
निशा जी, अपने बारे में बताइए। हाउ लॉन्ग यू हैव बीन विद द बॉलीवुड एंड कैनबरा स्कूल ऑफ बॉलीवुड डांसिंग स्कूल.
हाँ जी, तो मैं मतलब CSBD से 2004 से हूँ, जब पहले खुला था, I mean 2006 में खुला था, sorry, 14 years ago. एंड मैं बचपन से स्टार्ट किया था, like when I was in kids class, मैंने Bollywood hip hop से किया, फिर I did intermediates, I did semi-classical, then I got promoted to instructor, so I've done through all the stages. I've done through different schools and different groups. So I've been doing Bollywood my entire life, and माँ बाप ने मुझे भी सिखाया है कि Bollywood के कैसे जीतना है, और you know dance कैसे करना है, Bollywood movies कैसे देखना है, खाना पीना है, नाचना, like all this I've been groomed and trained for since childhood. So it's just in my blood right now.
बिल्कुल खून में दौड़ता है, आपके जीन्स में दौड़ता है बॉलीवुड.
हाँ जी.
अभी जब ओनरशिप चेंज हुआ, आदित्य
Yeah.
जी ने लिया है आफ्टर 14 years विद कृषा
Yes.
जिल्सन के साथ, एंड यू हैव बीन,
Yeah.
आपकी टीचर भी कृषा रह चुकी हैं, एंड शी मस्ट बी वाचिंग इट.
Yeah,
हेलो
that's
कृषा,
right.
एंड दीज आर योर टू ब्यूटीफुल स्टूडेंट्स आउट हियर जो सीखे हैं. तो अभी आपको क्या लगता है कि
Yeah.
क्या चेंजेस आएंगे, या क्या सजेस्ट कर रही हैं, या
बिल्कुल, मतलब कृषा मेरी like mentor थी जो बचपन से, she was the one that pulled me into Bollywood and got me 14 years into this school, so must, like, you know, very proud of her and all her achievements and efforts she's done in the school for the last 14 years. All wish her all the best for the future. Happy that we have new management, that we can continue with the school. Otherwise, we have nowhere in Bollywood in Canberra. And whether it's, yes, I've known Aditya for 6 years now, so it's great that it's under my own friend that I've known personally. But yeah, I also appreciate Krisha's efforts and what she's done for the school over the years.
wonderful.
No, 100%. Yeah, so I think just adding on to that, we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for Krisha. So the biggest thanks and biggest shout out goes to Krisha for doing what she has
We love you,
in all
Krisha.
this time. And we appreciate that, you know, you brought the school this far.
Yeah.
Thank you.
फाइनली कोई ज्वाइन करना चाहे, आप उनको
जरूर.
कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
Yes, of course. So Bollywood is all about having fun, just living life, and you know, doing it at the fullest. There's classes all over Canberra. Canberra is not that big anyway, but we have class in Belconnen, Tuggeranong, Gungahlin, and Woden. So literally all over the city, different days, different times. So whatever suits, please enroll using the link in the message above. And we look forward to seeing you.
Yeah, and that's
in
what
our
I love
classes.
about Bollywood as well. It's freestyle, you can do it at your own energy, at your own pace, and lots of vibrant, lots of colours. So it's feel free to join at whatever level you want, kids, adults, and if you want to become an instructor, obviously, let them know.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Thanks for talking to Radio Manpasand. अच्छा लगा.
Thank you, Anish ji.
और आप लगे
Thank you.
रहिए,
Radio
डांस करते
Manpasand.
रहिए, एंजॉय करते रहिए, सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट एक्सरसाइज करते रहिए,
जरूर जरूर.
और बस बॉलीवुड का नाम रोशन
नाचते
करते
रोशन
रहिए.
करते रहिए. Yeah.
हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए और नाचते रहिए.
क्या बात है. लगे रहिए.
धन्यवाद.
टेक केयर.